Imagine you could relieve up to 85 kilograms of your body weight only with the push of a button. This is now possible with Ergo Trainer. And if you need rehabilitation, for example, after an injury, or if there is a need to improve or boost your motor functions, then gait training with less weight, which also means less strain on the body, offers a major advantage. A lighter training load means that you can begin the rehabilitation process earlier without the risk of strain-related injuries. Ergo Trainer offers a fall-safe environment for patients, and no matter how hard they push themselves, they need not be afraid of falling. And when you feel a greater degree of mobility from the very start, this also increases your motivation to train harder. The Ergo Trainer also provides an advantage to therapists. They can provide a more targeted therapy program to rehabilitate several patients at a time. The system is quite simple. The patient is fitted with a walking sling, which attaches to the spreader bar. The Ergo Trainer itself is mounted onto a ceiling track. The Ergo Walker sling is an important part of Ergo Trainer. It prevents the user from falling and is an integral part of the body weight support system. The walking sling is light and comfortable, allowing the user to gait train freely. It is designed to provide support around the lower body and around the groin. The design ensures that the patient is safely held in the sling. The sling has a really good fit and is easy to put on, whether you can do it on your own or if done by the therapist. The sling is attached to the spreader bar, which can freely rotate 360 degrees. This provides the patient with outstanding mobility and makes possible natural gait training exercises, forwards, backwards, sidestepping, or even running. The spreader bar is lowered with the push of a button on the functional and user-friendly hand control unit. The sling straps are attached securely to the spreader bar hooks, which lock with a click. The patented hook design ensures that the patient's weight always keeps the hooks locked. Ergo Trainer's dynamic arm determines the patient's vertical mobility during the training process. The range of movement of the dynamic arm is adjusted with the user-friendly hand control unit depending on individual patient needs. The combined features of dynamic arm mobility and body weight support makes Ergo Trainer an incredibly versatile and unique training tool. Ergo Trainer can be easily moved along the track to a new position. By pulling on the cord, the position is then locked. Weight relief is adjusted with the hand control unit. The system can relieve up to 85 kilograms of body weight, and selecting the weight relief level that precisely matches the patient's needs is very simple. Only a couple of adjustments and you are all ready to go. If the patient needs more or less body weight support, it is easy to adjust the level up and down during training. Ergo Trainer can be installed in room covering systems, allowing patients to quickly and easily switch from one machine to another and to do floor exercises. This flexibility, combined with the body weight support system, makes Ergo Trainer suitable for patients facing different challenges and having different diagnoses. Physiotherapist Jan Jansen from the Center for Rehabilitation of Brain Injury in Denmark has worked with Ergo Trainer for more than 10 years, and experience has taught him who can benefit from it.
Alle, som har en nedsat gangfunktion, som har brug for noget sikkerhed eller lidt hjælp, så det er rigtig mange forskellige patientkategorier. Det kunne være lige fra sportsmanden, som skal stille og roligt i gang efter knæskade, til den overvægtige, som måske også har en apopleksi.
Training on the treadmill is possible with or without therapist assistance. Both the patient and therapist enjoy great freedom of movement because there is no restrictive frame around the patient. This allows the therapist to perform manual guidance and freely assist the patient with gait corrections and gait quality, for example, foot or hip.
Jeg kan rigtig godt lide at bruge den i forhold til, at jeg kan få lov til at fokusere mine terapeuter kan få lov til at gå ned og lige have fokus et sted ned omkring fod, ben for eksempel, hvor så ved jeg, at ergotraineren den skal nok hjælpe overkroppen.
The Ergo Trainer's flexibility makes it possible to change position in the middle of the training and, for example, to practice walking backwards and sideways without being worried about falling.
Når man så kommer herud og får vægtaflastning på, så er sikkerheden i top, og så betyder det, at de kan parkere deres angst og koncentrere sig mere om at gå og fyre den af.
At the same time, bodyweight support means that patients who would otherwise have to train on a therapist's couch or on a mattress on the floor can now gait train standing up.
Det betyder uendelig meget for de børn, som ellers er kørestolsbundne og som kan komme op og gå. Og det vil sige, at vores træning bliver et helt andet niveau i forhold til, hvad man kan gøre, når man ikke har vægtaflæsning på.
The bodyweight support feature combined with the dynamic arm provide outstanding flexibility that allows many patients to do floor exercises they would otherwise never be capable of doing. Gait training is the first option that comes to mind, but Ergo Trainer also makes possible, for example, knee bends, squats and sit-to-stand exercises. It is also possible to assess and adjust how much load is applied to the legs with a bathroom scale placed under each foot on the floor. Balance training is a key element in pretty much all training programs. The training can be organized on a treadmill or on the floor, and you can tailor the training to best suit each individual patient's needs. Exercises may include, for example, standing up, hopping on one foot, moving up and down, or ball exercises. And no matter where the training is carried out and how much you push yourself, you are safely held in the walking sling, and that nothing will happen to you, even if you fall. Ergo Trainer has been developed in cooperation with the Center for Rehabilitation of Brain Injury in Denmark and is currently used in a wide number of different rehab centers. Experiences from using the Ergo Trainer have been really good, and training with the Ergo Trainer has demonstrated clear and obvious advantages for both patients and therapists.
Det betyder især, at vi kan tilbyde en meget større dosis træning til patienter. Både med hensyn til hvor lang tid de træner, men også hvor svært det er.
Nungo Lun, who has trained with the Ergo Trainer for a long time, has benefited a lot from this and has also achieved really good results.
Jeg går meget bedre nu. Ja. Man kan bare koncentrere sig om hvordan kvaliteten af ens gang er. Ja.
Morten Olsgaard also experiences great improvement after he started training with the Ergo Trainer.
Ja, men den har betydet rigtig meget, fordi det har hjulpet mig en gang. Men specielt til at løbe har jeg ikke kun uden.
Work with the Ergo Trainer enables therapists to offer more effective and intensive training courses. For example, they can offer patients gait training on a treadmill, which would otherwise be impossible.
Det betyder rigtig meget i den grad, at vi har nogle børn, som ellers ikke vil have mulighed for at komme op og gangtræne. I fysioterapeutisk regi så er det vigtigt at komme op og få vægtbæring på sine ben. Det er vigtigt at få noget opretstående holdning, og hvis børnene kommer op og går, så bliver de en del af det liv, som vi andre bevæger os i.
The Ergo Trainer gives therapists yet another advantage as many patients become self-reliant, which sets physiotherapists free to help other patients gait train, as well as have several patients gait train at the same time.
Og så kan vi også have flere trænende samtidig. Vi kan fx have holdtræning, hvor jeg kan sætte dem til at have på løbebåndet samtidig med at have folk, der træner på andet.
In addition to the obvious advantages, there is a certain very important thing that characterizes training with Ergo Trainer: the joy of using it.
Det er simpelthen så godt.
Jeg synes, det var sjovt.
Så kører det bare.
Du var i gang med at træne.
Ja, det er godt.